It's finally happening. AI video generation is coming, and it's scary to say the least. On February 16, 2024, the CEO of OpenAI announced Sora, a new AI tool that can create high-quality videos from prompts or images. I know what you're thinking. This is not a big news. There are already other AI capable of this, and it's not that big of a deal. Usually, these AI-made videos are short and not so realistic. Quite often, you can tell whether it is a real video or AI-generated. But let's play a game then. We'll show you 3 clips now. Watch them and tell us which of them you believe are real and which are AI-generated. Ready? Let's start. Here we go. Do you have a verdict? Well, it doesn't matter that much because these 3 clips were all AI-generated. This is Sora, and it's just the beginning. Kinda scary, right? Yet so exciting. Thinking about the progress that AI has made in just these 2 past years, what's coming in the near future can be even more surprising. As of right now, Sora doesn't have an official date of release. It only has a page on the OpenAI website where you can see and learn what it's capable of. But you cannot use it yet. Most probably it won't be open source. And once released, videos made with it will have C2PA metadata. In other words, a security system that keeps a record of the origin of the video and its modifications. This because if a tool so powerful gets thrown into the hands of everyone without any kind of supervision, rule, or censorship, it's not probably a good idea. But even with rules, limitations, etc., it's going to be released at some point, and it's going to change the game for good. What game are we talking about? Content creation and social media, of course. We live at a point in time where it's easy for everyone to pick up their phone, record a video, and produce content. AI like this will make it even easier. And it is good. Think of all the time you need a B-roll for a video. Instead of spending time searching for the right one, you'll be able to create exactly what you want. Also, being able to just think of something and in a matter of minutes, see it brought to life is a dream for every content creator. There is a problem, though. If everyone can produce super high-quality content by simply writing text, it means that between a video maker with years of experience and a kid with a laptop and some creativity, there will be no difference, because the skill barrier is once again lowered. The question is, what should we do then? Many people, and we've seen it already with ChatGPT and other AI, are just scared to step into this new world. You've heard it yourself. Those who say, nah, it's too complicated, or I refuse to use AI, I will never need it. Well, you can say f*** AI too and keep doing your thing until the problem knocks at your door, hoping that it won't happen. We're sorry to tell you, but it's probably going to be a bad choice, especially if you're working in the content creation space. This sector relies on technology and evolves around it, and the only way that you can succeed in this space is to keep up with it, whether you want it or not. So if you're watching this video and you're in this situation, please listen to these words. The game is going to change, and you'll be able to stay in the game only for as long as you can play. So train for it. Jumping back to the example we made earlier, if you're already a video maker with some experience, learn how to use AI for your projects, how to speak to it, and how to use the correct prompt for it to give you the correct outputs. If you start now and you keep doing it through time, you won't miss this incredible opportunity. So please, keep learning. Guys, that was it for the video. Don't forget to tell us your thoughts about this intricate topic in the comments down below. Also, if you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos like this one, or better. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.